The single remaining chimney on the Spode factory site is over 200 years old. It is a landmark of Stoke's pottery heritage. So it will remain a landmark forever, right? Sadly, wrong. The owners of the Spode site do not have a good track record of chimney maintenance. The last china kiln collapsed unexpectedly in the northwest courtyard in 1972. And the Spode Works has been closed as an active factory since 2008. Watch as I explore the Spode boiler and engine house and see how secure is this pottery heritage.
If you're watching YouTube, you think, shit, this is going to be good.
You'll soon see why. This is 8T, 8M.
8M, okay.
8M is this one to your right. 8T is this one.
Okay.
The access building to the engine house has no roof. It has been condemned. It's a danger to the public. I am here in a hard hat and toe-capped work boots.
So what number is this? 8?
8M. So that's the chimney there. You see the iron rod going across, that's the base of the chimney. So you can go all the way around to that.
So that is the main tall chimney with the Spode
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
branding on it. So is this part of the boiler room, or is the boiler room like the other side?
So we'll go through the door on the left in a minute,
Yeah.
and you'll see the remains of the steam engine.
Cool. That's what I'm really interested to see. Let me just wander around here.
This is the base of the chimney, held together and reinforced by two giant cast iron anchor plates. From the window, you can see the scale of the base of the chimney.
Okay, so we've got the other sides of these stanchions that were like holding the bricks together.
These stanchions or anchor plates were prominent in the sister chimney that was demolished as no longer useful as long as 70 years ago.
They will have moved.
More recent brickwork to shore up access holes and cracks is visible. Check the time capsule left behind when the factory closed in 2008. Back towards the access building are the remaining vestiges of the steam engine itself, originally a Watt and Boulton 36 horsepower beam engine which was installed in 1810. I can make out some of the iron framework of the engine that would have spanned 2 stories. This site is in a bad way. I'm not a structural engineer, but I think this chimney and building will be demolished unless public support is galvanized. If you think this chimney and building should be saved, You can start by leaving a comment on this video. Thanks for watching. Do like and leave a comment, and look out for more of my videos on my visit to the world famous Spode site.